In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to get a job and stand out amongst the crowd. Let's face it, the web development job market is saturated, but there are good developers like you who are here to upskill and improve and stand out. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and sharing with your friends. If you want to see behind the scenes footage of me going to more tech events, just chatting to people, doing live, then follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Tip number 1, your CV must be really concise, 2 to 3 pages, not less than 2 and not more than 3. If it's less than 2, it seems like you haven't achieved or done very much. Include lots of useful things to make sure you have 2 pages. But not more than 3 pages if you've done lots of great things, no matter what level you're at. If you've got 15 years experience and you've got more than 3 pages worth, just put the best 3 pages worth. No one's going to read more than that. Any more than that, they're going to fall asleep and think you're trying too hard. And make sure it's got a good design. Make sure it's clean and simple and easy to read it and stand out. Imagine if you threw all the CVs on a desk out in front of you, how would yours stand out? Don't forget to ask your friends, your family, your colleagues to review it. Hey, ask me, I might review it on a live stream. If that helps you, I will do it. Put a comment below and let me know what you think. Tip number 2, GitHub. I say this a lot. You must contribute to open source. If you want a video on how to do that in 5 simple steps, leave a comment below, let me know what you think and I'll do that. But if you've got a GitHub account and you've got some activity on there, no matter what it is, make sure it's at the top of your CV, right at the top. You will stand out so much more because the person hiring can go look at some of your work, no matter what it is, they can go have a look. Even if it's you raising issues, even if it's you commenting on their issues. It doesn't just have to be about code, it's about the attitude as well. Tip number 3, what happens when I search for you online? What do you find? Search your name now and try it and see. Do any results that you've posted come up, or are they results from other people? If they're results from other people, then other people are defining your brand. You need to define your own brand by being on social media, writing blog posts, open source on GitHub as I mentioned before, YouTube channel, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and unfortunately LinkedIn. You will get a lot of spam from LinkedIn, but you need to be on there unfortunately. Tip number 4, go to tech events. There's so many benefits for doing this. You will network, you will grow your network, you will meet people who you eventually work with in the future, who might be able to connect you with other people to find a job. You will learn so much from people and people will learn from you. It's really important to go to tech events, meetups, hackathons, conferences. Just go to them and don't stay in the corner, go chat to people. I know it's difficult, but just go and chat. And once you said a few words, they find it difficult too. Once you've both spoken a few words, you'll relax and within a few minutes they'll be your best friend. And my last tip, tip number 5, in the interview be confident. Don't be cocky, but be confident. And if you get asked a question that you don't know, say you don't know, but if you know where you would look for the answer, then say where you would look for it. And let me just give you a hot tip here. Saying I'll Google it or I'll Stack Overflow it is not the answer. I interviewed someone once and I asked them about design patterns and they didn't know. But they said, but there's a great site called Source Making and they list all the useful main design patterns and I would look there because they have examples. And that was really impressive. They would know where to look rather than just to do a spray and pray Google search. So if you know where to look, then do say that. That's still a really good answer. Don't bullshit it because if you come up with the wrong answer, people can usually see right through that. As a web dev or a software engineer, whatever you want to call it, it's important to be aware of a lot of things. You don't have to know everything, just be aware of it. Therefore, if you do need to look something up, you know where to look. That's my hot tips at the moment, so don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. Any questions, any more video tips or anything you'd like to see, put a comment below.